In this Python tutorial, we will learn how to use sample functions. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. Let's learn how to use functions by doing a few examples. First, I import the necessary libraries. I will generate a random number using the range property in the sample function. I determine the amount of numbers to be produced with the k variable. For example, I will create 5 variables between 0 and 100. Each time the program runs, 5 different random numbers are generated. By changing the k value, I can ensure that 10 numbers are generated randomly. 10 different random numbers are generated. I can use it on a specific list instead of range. So what happens if the value of k is more than the number of members in the list? In this case, the program will give an error. But in some cases we may need it. I will show you the way to solve this problem in a moment. I want him to choose 5 random members from the list I sent him. I set the k value to 2. 2 different members are randomly selected each time. Let's do a different example. I will create a list of names. I'm adding 3 members to the list. I send the list to the sample function. I set the k value to 3. 3 members are chosen randomly. If I set the k value to 1, 1 member will be selected randomly. So what happens if the value of k is more than the number of members in the list? In this case, the program will give an error. To do this, we can increase each of the members in the list as much as we want. To do this, we use the count property. In this case, 5 units of each member will be produced. Therefore, now I can set the k value to 15 at most. I can randomly select 5 different members using this method. I don't have to multiply each member equally. For example, I multiply the member John 10,000 times. Therefore, the member for John has the highest probability of being elected. I set all values to 5. In this case, I said that I could set the k value to 15 at most. 15 different random values are selected. But as I said, I cannot choose 16 different values. In this case, the program will give an error. In this Python tutorial, we learned how to use sample functions. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.